In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Obsidian on Windows 11. In this tutorial, we'll install Obsidian on Windows 11, the powerful knowledge base app that lets you create and link notes locally on your computer. The process is quick and safe, and by the end, you'll have it up and running. First, open your browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox, any modern browser works. If you don't see one on your taskbar, press the Windows key, type the browser's name, and open it from the Start menu. Next, go to obsidian.md/download. Click into the address bar at the top, type obsidian.md-download, and press Enter. Make sure you're on the official site with a secure connection before downloading. The page automatically detects you're on Windows and shows the Windows download option. Now, click Download for Windows. This starts the download for the installer, named obsidiansetup.exe. Depending on your browser, you may be asked to confirm the download or choose a location. If you're not prompted, it usually saves to your Downloads folder, and you'll see the progress near the top right of your browser window. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded obsidiansetup.exe file. An easy way is to click it directly from your browser's downloads list. If you don't see it there, open File Explorer, go to the Downloads folder, and double-click obsidiansetup.exe. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, choose Yes to continue. This is the standard Windows security check to confirm you intended to run the installer. Now wait for it to install automatically. There isn't a long wizard to step through. Obsidian's installer handles everything for you. You don't need to pick a folder or click through options. The defaults work for almost everyone. You might see a brief progress bar, and then it will complete on its own. This usually takes less than a minute on most systems, and there's no restart required. After installation, Obsidian will launch automatically. You'll land on the welcome screen where you can create or open a vault later. But for now, you're done with the install. If you plan to use it often, right-click the icon on your taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar so it's easy to find next time. You can also open it anytime from the Start menu by searching for Obsidian. If you like to keep things tidy, you can delete the installer from your Downloads folder after everything is working. That's how to install Obsidian on Windows 11. Subscribe for more tutorials.